This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Avery Skip-Hollies. Welcome to 7937 Camden Woods Drive, a stunning residence nestled in the heart of a serene and sought-after neighborhood. This meticulously maintained home features a spacious, open floor plan, perfect for entertaining and everyday living. The elegant foyer leads to a light-filled living area featuring high ceilings. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, and a large pantry. The primary suite is a private retreat, offering a large walk-in closet, a luxurious ensuite bathroom with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. Additional highlights include a unique secluded bedroom upstairs with an ensuite bathroom, generously sized secondary bedrooms, a versatile bonus area, vast options for storage, and a beautifully landscaped, fenced-in backyard with a covered patio, ideal for outdoor gatherings or watching the beautiful sunset. Situated conveniently close to local amenities and less than 10 minutes away from the Selman Expressway, the Interstate, Publix, Target, and top-rated schools. This home combines comfort with convenience. Don't miss the opportunity to rent this exceptional property. For more information,